Hey guys, D-Rage here. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the BlackVue dash cam. So this is a 2-channel dash cam. They call it over the cloud. So let's do this really quick because I want to go and put it in my car. Well, I'm not going to install it like permanently, but so it comes in a very small box, which means the camera is going to have to be even smaller because there's 2 cameras inside here. And if I could open it, there it is. Ugh. Ugh. It's like a vacuum pressure. Alright, so here it is. I trust you can see it. Well, the back camera, it's very small. Very nice and very teeny. I like that. Very light too. And then the front camera, it's a little bit bigger. It's slightly heavier. It's nice. It comes with the the lens protected, the sticky tape. So this is the front. This is where the power and the cables go as well. Let's put that in here. I'm assuming under here will be some instructions and maybe stuff. I don't know, nothing here. It's just to hold the box together. So there is like a QR code, probably to register. Yeah, at least they send the QR code. And then another box, which is inside the box. I'm just organizing here. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I have a cold, so. And here's all the cables and instructions. Awesome. So this is our power cable. It's a cigarette lighter power cable. For my car, because of Tesla, I don't, normally this would go, into your cigarette lighter, but then you cannot monitor when the car is parked. Then they come with a, power box thing, which I don't need because my car is always, it runs on electricity, so there's always power. So I had to get one of this. This is gonna go to the ODB2 port and will provide power. Obviously this is male to male. We know they don't work, so I have to get another adapter, which is the female. So I'm gonna have to hack this, put this end in here, and this will connect to it. So that's the easiest way anyways. There are a couple other ways I could do it. So they give you a couple extra tape, and they even give you a tool to open the liners and stuff, which is nice of them. And the cable for the rear looks to be long enough. And warranty and the manual. That's it. That's a quick unboxing of the BlackVue, high definition camera, 2-channel, front and rear. Some people get you with this and they put like a whole 360 degree around the car. I think that's a bit overkill. So we're gonna start with this and see how this works. And let me know if you liked or if you have any questions. I might try to do the install myself, but I think I'm gonna hire a professional. I think that might be better. So all right, that's it. Take care. What the heck? Hello, testing.